Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the main features of the AI chat interface. Before you start typing your question, it's a good idea to choose the right chat mode. That way, you'll get the most accurate and relevant answers. Let's look at the chat modes. You can choose the one that best fits your needs, from fast responses to advanced reasoning. Standard is the default mode, great for everyday conversations. It offers a solid balance of speed and accuracy, making it perfect for quick questions, basic explanations, and general chatting. Online lets the AI browse the web in real time. It's great for checking news, looking up current events, or exploring topics that change frequently. Math mode is designed to help with calculations, solving equations, graphing, and other science-related questions. Whether you're working through homework or diving into complex topics, this mode brings stronger math and logic capabilities. Genius mode takes things to the next level. It delivers more accurate answers, better grammar, improved reasoning, and a smoother overall conversation. Ideal for users who need more depth and reliability. Super Genius goes even further. It's built for handling especially complex logic, math, and programming tasks. It may take a little longer to respond because it's thinking things through, but the output is worth the wait. Online Genius is the most advanced mode. It combines genius-level reasoning with real-time web access, making it ideal for research, learning new things, or discussing recent developments. It uses the most powerful AI model with enhanced understanding of current events. Free users have access to standard and online modes, while Math mode and the Genius family of modes are available as part of the DeepAI Pro subscription. Now, let's jump to the left side of the screen. By clicking Chat History, you'll see all your previous conversations listed here. You can scroll through them, open any of them again, and even search by keyword if you're looking for something specific. If you need to include an image, just click the little image icon next to the chat bar. You can upload an image file and talk about it directly with the AI. Super useful for visual tasks or explanations. And that's a quick tour of our AI chat. Whether you're asking questions, writing stories, solving code, or analyzing images, there's a mode and a feature for everything. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.